But me say I go open them in a real life anyway. So why not just get in front of the camera and make a video? You know, something for you guys to watch. And I can't bother pull this, to be honest with you, know. But I probably should. Because I already pulled everything in, so why not? Why not? Why not, yeah? Why not? Medium to dark, because I'm dark, I'm a lovely girl, yeah. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I am Karisha and thank you so much for stopping by today. As you guys can see from the title down below, I will be doing a little mini makeup haul, you know, unboxing. Yeah, so if that interests you, keep on watching. Before we move from this point of the video, please ensure that you like and that you subscribe to my channel to become a part of the family. Yes. For those of you who are watching who know me, you might have known that once upon a time, I was a MUA, I was a makeup artist. Yeah girl, me I did one makeup artist. So I did makeup for weddings, birthday parties, different events, grad photos, pageants. This was a whole professional out here in these streets. But I did, you know, close that chapter of my life, you know. Yeah. And when I actually closed that chapter of my life, I also stopped wearing makeup. One reason why I stopped wearing makeup was I did not want to become too dependent on it, and at that time I was really suffering from acne, and I wanted to develop a confidence in my skin and, you know, just embracing the natural me. So for a good couple of years, I gave my makeup away and I have not had any personal makeup. Yeah, so in these videos I always have on lip gloss only. That has been my makeup for the past couple years. But a few months ago or so, I would say that I was feeling like, you know, a little urge to like start a little makeup collection, a little personal bag. So like, you know, if I feel like I want to add a little extra whenever I'm going somewhere, you know, whether it be church or otherwise, like if me I fix up and I want to feel like extra good, I just have a little thing. And yeah, so that's why we have this video here. Alright, let's go. Most of the things I ordered came from Amazon, and some I bought locally, you know, here in Jamaica if you're watching from America or Africa or other places in the Caribbean. So now, thankful for you guys, keep supporting me. I love you, I appreciate you. Alright, let's go. So, yeah, one can see. So, put it in my lap. Alright, so let us start with the eyebrows. Yeah, it's a mini haul. As I say, mini is not nothing big. I'm basically starting from scratch because I gave everything away. As I mentioned, I did not have until now any makeup for myself, so I have to start back from eyebrow pencil, concealer, the all works girl, all works. I did buy a black and a brown eyebrow pencil. If you're in Jamaica, this is what uncle only know them pencil here. I think I got it for like $100 for one. Yeah, and I also purchased two concealers, one in the color beautiful bronze and another in, I think this is dark cocoa. Yeah, so beautiful bronze, dark cocoa, and I'm thinking of getting the corrector. I'm thinking about it. I might get it just because, you know, I have some scarring from acne. Yeah, that's all. I do have of course the concealer brush for the brow to clean up under the brows, angled round, whatever, but it's in the brush set. So let's go to that section. Alrighty then. So as I mentioned, I did get this pack of brushes from Amazon, and if you're interested, I will leave the link in the description box below. I knew that I wanted some brushes, right? And when I'm telling you, me pack up my cat with a variety of brushes because like I fell in love with a lot of them, especially because I was looking for particular brushes because, you know, I have some experience in makeup, so I know exactly what I was looking for. Yeah, so I picked up this. I have to say though, it did not have two brushes that I really wanted, so I purchased those separately. Okay, alright. So if I'm not correct, this is a 16-piece brush set, rose gold makeup shadow makeup brush kit. Alright. I have to mention, this brush set did come with 5 beauty blenders, and it also came with a silicone brush cleaner thing, which I think that's the reason why I got this particular brush set to start with, because you know it basically had everything that I needed to just start with. You get what I say? And further down I can buy more stuff. Yeah, move the back, I don't make up too much nice. Alright. So this thing here, like they actually had 2, right? So when I saw it, I instantly said, you know, I'm gonna set this up, come I can put the brushes, even though they took forever to get here. I'm like, whenever them come, yeah, I can put it in this. I do still though have this Mary Kay thing that I had some of my makeup in when I was doing makeup professionally. So I was like, let me just get something that I can like put on my dresser and make it look cute and so yeah. So these I picked up in Jamaica, and it says makeup collection, and this now what upon it, Glam TD 116. It's like that, and this one was for $450. This looks to me like a powder brush. So I can say, it's actually very soft. Okay, so then brush I need to wash before me use them, of course, and it matches sort of what's going on here with the brush set from Amazon. So yeah, this is a powder brush, and I also got a flat foundation brush. Very important to me. Very important to me. I'm not sure how many people use flat foundation brushes or love flat foundation brushes, but me, girl, me didn't need a flat foundation brush. Never come on the set. Alright, this is no problem, I can get another one. So I did, and I think this was for $450 and the bigger one was for $480. Yeah. Okay, so this is what it's looking like so far. Yeah. Okay, moving along to the second brush set that I got from Amazon. Hold on. And this is from Duo Me Makeup Chic Makeup Brush Collection, and this I chose because it was mostly concentrated on brushes for eye makeup. So I think this was for like $8 in this, you know. Now this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10 brushes, and of course they are also individually packaged, which I like. So yeah guys, that's it for all the brushes. See, look how cute this is, and it has this thing here. You can hang it up. Yeah, so cute. Okay guys, so for the first brush set that I showed you guys, as I said, it came with some beauty blenders, and it also came with a silicone brush washer, cleanser. No, not a cleanser, but yeah. So this is it. But this smells chemically. It smells very rubbery. Rub the brush on it to clean it, clean the makeup out of it. So, for beauty blenders, I don't know what beauty blender you use for. As I say, I know some most want to watch this when I do makeup. You guys know what these stuff are. Yeah. The other thing I got from Amazon, which is the last thing I got from Amazon actually, because I was trying to find my favorite foundation that I remember using when I was, you know, all into doing makeup. Mary Kay Cream to Powder Foundation in bronze 5. If you guys know where I can get that, please let me know below or message me on Instagram. If you have my number, shoot me a message there. Mary Kay Cream to Powder Foundation in the color bronze 5. That matches me perfectly. So I got this black Radiance pressed powder in coffee. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? So I think I wanted to order more than one of these, you know, obviously in different shades, but I was like, I want to see how this one, like the color in real life, because you know you can see like a shade online and that's not really the true to life color. 8623 black coffee, and if I'm not mistaken, I think this is the darkest shade that they have. Yeah. Thing that I got is this. Oh, you want to face? Black Radiance True Complexion Custom Concealer, medium to dark, because I'm a dark, I'm a lovely girl. Yeah. This was for 750 Jamaican dollars. So pretty. So now, this thing here was very, very important for me to have for my beginner kit, because this is the Black Opal Invisible Oil Blocking Loose Powder. Love it. Real bad. Real bad. Real bad. Yeah. Very excited. I was about to smell it. So the last thing that I got, mascara. So this is Black Radiance Body Building Mascara, Bigger, Bolder, Blacker. Yeah, girl. The blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice. And this was for $1,050. And I can't bother pull this, to be honest with you, but I probably should, because I already pull everything else, so why not? Why not? Why not, yeah? Why not? Yeah, so I want to get that. The LA Girl Prime on the Milk and Magnesia and a specific matte setting spray. So that is it for this video, guys. I'm still looking into some stuff. I'm looking on some eyeshadow palettes, some bronzers, some highlighters, and of course I have to get my foundation, the primers, and the setting spray. So yeah, the video done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the post notification bell to be notified as soon as I post another video, and I'll catch you in my next one. In the meantime, big up yourself.